Welcome back. In the real world, data is rarely perfectly complete. Sometimes a field might be missing, but we still want the rest of the data to validate. In this lecture, we learn how to define optional fields in Pydantic models using the optional type, which allows a field to be present or safely omitted. 1. Defining optional fields. To make a field optional, we use the optional type, which must be imported from the typing module. Optional of string means the field can contain a string or it can be none. By setting an explicit default value, like equals null, we tell Pydantic that the field is not strictly required during initialization. Similarly, if we set a default value like equals false for is underscore premia, the field automatically becomes optional with that default value. Two, using the optional union syntax. For those using Python 3.10 or newer, there is a cleaner way to define optional types using the pipe or union operator. Float pipe none means the field can be either a float or none. This is the preferred modern syntax and is functionally identical to optional of float. 3. Testing with missing fields. When we instantiate the customer model with only customer underscore ID, Pydantic successfully creates the object because the other two fields are optional. The phone underscore number defaults to none, and is underscore premium defaults to false. If we were to omit customer underscore ID, the model would fail validation, as it is a required field with no default value. To summarize, optional fields are essential for handling flexible or incomplete data structures. Our next lecture 42.05, Use Constraints. See you there.